Welcome to our tutorial, User Management in ReportServer. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to create basic users and team spaces and assign them the necessary permissions. In ReportServer, you have various options for user management. Today, we're focusing on the simplest method, the PAM user password policy. An important note for the very first start, after you've downloaded ReportServer, you log in with root as the username and root as the password. But be careful. In future versions, this standard login will change for security reasons. As an administrator, you'll find the user menu under Users and Groups and then User Root in the Administration tab of ReportServer. This is exactly where we'll be working today. By right-clicking on User Root and selecting Insert, you can create an organizational unit, a group, or in our case, a new user. We'll now create a new user named Lisa Muller. To do this, simply fill out the form. Important: during the first login, Lisa must enter the password you assigned and will then immediately be prompted to change it. But be careful, even though Lisa has been created as a user, she cannot log in yet. Why? Because she still lacks the necessary permissions. To give Lisa the necessary access rights, we'll switch to the Permission area under Administration in ReportServer. Here you'll find predefined groups such as users and administrators. For this video, we're assigning Lisa to the Users group under the default_roles. Exactly what this group is allowed to do is determined in permission management, but we won't go into that in detail today. As soon as Lisa has been added to the Users group, she can log in for the first time. She will then be prompted to change her temporary password. After this change, Lisa can log in with her new password and has basic rights, but no personal workspace, so no TeamSpace. For Lisa to work productively, she needs her own TeamSpace. As an administrator, you navigate to the TeamSpace area in Administration and click on Create TeamSpace. We'll call this new TeamSpace Lisa's TeamSpace. After it has been created, you open it by double-clicking. Under Members, you click on Add and select Lisa Muller from the User Root folder. Confirm this process with Apply and then Submit. Now it's crucial that Lisa receives the appropriate role in her TeamSpace. Click on Lisa's TeamSpace again and assign Lisa Muller the Manager role under Members. You also confirm this with Submit. We will take a closer look at the different roles within a TeamSpace in a separate video. For the moment, it's enough that Lisa, as a manager, sees her own empty area and can immediately start her work. Let's summarize. For a user to work directly in ReportServer, they need a TeamSpace, must be assigned to the user's role, and should initially be set up as a manager in their TeamSpace. A pro tip for better organization: be sure to manage your users in folders. Under Users and Groups, you can create organizational units via Insert and easily assign your users via drag and drop. The user's role currently allows the execution of all reports in the system. If you want to set up more complex permissions for reports or other roles later, feel free to watch our separate permissions video, which will follow later. Another important note: make sure that only the default_roles are displayed under Users and Groups. If the area is empty, something is wrong. Finally, an urgent recommendation: create a second administrator user who is not root. The root account can then be deactivated to increase security. By the way, the security settings also include other options for user and password policies, which we won't cover in detail today. These were the first steps in user management in ReportServer. Now you're able to create new users, give them basic permissions, and provide their own TeamSpace. If you have any further questions, use our documentation or the community forum. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new tutorials. Happy reporting with ReportServer!